In this video, I'll guide you through how to split payments with your Chime friends. Whether you're sharing a dinner bill or splitting rent, learning how to do this is a handy skill. Let's dive right into it. First, you want to begin by opening the Chime app on your device. Once you have the app open, look for the option that says Pay Anyone. This feature is the cornerstone of managing payments with friends, allowing you to either send or request money seamlessly. Next, you'll come across two choices, Request or Pay. The option you choose here depends on your particular situation. If you're collecting money from friends, you'll want to select Request. On the other hand, if you're paying your share of the bill, then Pay is the right choice for you. It's a flexible feature that caters to both scenarios. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and enter the total amount of money that needs to be split. If you're sharing the cost with your friends, you'll want to divide the total amount accordingly. This step is crucial because it ensures everyone pays exactly what they owe, making the process fair and straightforward. Now, it's time to find your friends. The Chime app makes this easy by allowing you to search using various options. You can look them up by their name, chime sign, email, or even their phone number. This versatility makes it easier to connect with your friends, no matter how you have them saved in your contacts. After selecting your friends, you can add a personalized note. This is where you can specify what the payment is for. A simple note like split bill or dinner split adds clarity and context to the transaction. It's always nice to have a little reminder of what the payment is for, especially when looking back at your transaction history. When you're ready, tap Continue to move on to the next step. Here, you'll have a chance to review all the details of the transaction. Double-check the amount, the recipient, and the note you added. It's always a good idea to make sure everything looks right before finalizing the transaction. Once you've reviewed all the details and everything looks good, tap on Pay or Request to complete the split. And just like that, your payment or request is on its way, making sure everyone is covered. And there you have it. This is how you split payments with Chime Friends, a simple and efficient way to manage shared expenses. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your payment splitting a breeze.